Everyone, today I'll show you how to make apple cider vinegar, an organic apple cider vinegar. Okay, the ingredients are sugar. I use raw sugar, water, and apple. Okay, and we need a big jar, knife that we will use to cut the apples, and then ladle that is you're going to use. I use a wood ladle to stir the apples. Okay, let's start by cutting the apples. It's good if we will make our own apple cider vinegar. It's very expensive also, this one. So it's time for apples now. So you can use your own apple if you have your apples. Everything I put it in because this is an organic apple too that our sister and brother Salimi family gave it to us. It's free. So lots of apples this time of year are free from your neighborhoods. They are giving away apples this time. Okay, so you can use your apple cider vinegar after fermented. You will ferment for 2 to 3 weeks with these apples, and then after that you will strain and take out the apples and just put it in on top of your table or in your kitchen. For every apple, you will put a heap of teaspoonful of sugar. Done cutting these apples, so we will put now the water and then sugar. We will mix water and sugar now to put it on the apple. I cut 13 apples, so I have to put 13 teaspoons of sugar also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we use a wooden spoon or wooden ladle to mix the water and then the sugar. And then we will pour it in the cut apples. We can add more water. Okay, until we fill it until up. Okay, we add more water. And then we're going to cover it with coffee filter, and put a rubber band on it. We have to secure it so that the fruit flies will not go inside. Okay, we have to secure the bottle so that the fruit fly will not go inside. Okay, this one, and then we will do the next one. This is good also. Apple cider is good also to drink. You just put 1 tablespoon in your water, 1 tablespoon in the morning, and 1 tablespoon in the evening. It's good for our health. Okay. And then cover again with cover the lid. Okay. Okay. I have how many bottles now? I make from the apples that Sister Viola and Brother Sia gave it to me, gave it to us. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bottles now. And this one, I make it last year. This is the one I'm using for cooking. I cook adobo. I marinate daing na bangus with this one. I use also. And then I use in paksiw na bangus also. So it's easy to make. So guys, if you have apples, if your neighbors have apples, you can use them to make apple cider vinegar. Okay? See guys, this one, I made this one the other day. So this is the 3rd day, this apple cider vinegar. So look, there are bubbles now. So it's fermenting. So it's good. So if you turn the apples, if you mix it, you put it down and then use a wooden ladle spoon. Don't use, you can use you can use plastic, and you can use wooden ladle spoon only. Don't use stainless. And I'll show you another one that I make this morning. This one, I mix some of my mother vinegar. This one, I mix it with this mixture. So we'll see, it's easier to, or it's more faster to ferment if you put a mother vinegar. Guys, I put a date on it. This was August 24. I make this on August 24, August 27, August 27, August 24. So you have to put a date on it so that you will know when you take out the apples. And you have to ferment it for 3 weeks. 3 weeks. So you have to put it in on top of your counter. Just leave it there, and then after 3 weeks, you strain the apple, take it out, and then ferment it again for another 3 weeks before 3 to 1 month before you use the apple cider vinegar. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Guys, we have to use a wooden ladle only. We don't have to use metal one because I think there is a chemical reaction when we use the metal one. So I'm using wooden ladle, or you can use a plastic one. This one is with a mother vinegar. That's why you see the color is brownish now. And I use a raw sugar, brown sugar, brown sugar. Okay. Look. The smell is very nice. Smell vinegar now. Okay, guys, this is now the last one that I have to stir or I have to mix. And then after that, I will cover again. And then after 2 days, I will stir or mix them again. And after 2 to 3 weeks, we can strain the apples. And we have, that is the stage of, second stage of fermentation already for the apple cider vinegar. After 2 to 3 weeks. Or if you want, you can do it also after 1 month. You can strain the apples. Okay, now, next is we have to cover them now. Cover it back.